Greece, August, Chalkidiki and a Greek-style frittata. In this episode, I'm cooking a frittata with a Greek twist and sharing a few glimpses from my trip to beautiful Chalkidiki. Stay with me until the end to catch one of the most breathtaking sunsets you will ever see, second only to Santorini's magic. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and keeps me creating more delicious recipes and travel stories for you. So if you enjoy my content, now it's the perfect time to join our little foodie family. Greeks have a saying about Chalkidiki, nowhere like Chalkidiki, and honestly, they're not wrong. In my previous episode, I talked about Sarti, the seaside village where we stayed. Gorgeous, isn't it? There we were, diving into the hotel pool with Sarti's stunning beach stretching out before us. We left with nothing but warm memories and sun-soaked smiles from our time there. Let's get cooking. This frittata is wonderfully simple and endlessly adaptable. You can use whatever ingredients you love. For mine, I'm using onion, shiitake mushrooms, spinach and fresh dill, tomato slices, crumbled feta cheese. Here's how it comes together. Heat 2 tablespoons of Greek extra virgin olive oil in a cast iron skillet or in any oven-safe skillet. Add the chopped onions and saute until soft and transparent. Then toss in the mushrooms. While they cook over medium heat, prepare your egg mixture. Whisk together 4 whole eggs, 2 spoonfuls of Greek yogurt, salt and black pepper. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet and let it cook gently, but not all the way through. Add the chopped spinach and dill, then top with tomato slices and crumbled feta. sprinkle of oregano wouldn't hurt either. Transfer the skillet to a preheated oven and bake for just a few minutes until set. While our frittata bakes, here's another little taste of Sarti. Its turquoise waters and golden sands never fail to steal my heart. I've linked the first part of my Sarti series for you to enjoy. The frittata is now ready. I love serving it as a special weekend breakfast or a relaxed brunch. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, slice and enjoy. Honestly, I could finish the whole thing by myself. And now, as I promised, here's the sunset. Golden light spilling over the horizon. A perfect close to a perfect day. See you soon for more recipes and adventures.